Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we kind of jump right into these captivating topics.
Yeah.
And today we're going all the way to Tanzania.
Oh.
We're going to be looking at how ancient traditions and like cutting-edge technology are working together.
Yeah.
All kind of centered around the strength of African women.
It's a really unique blend that you see there.
Yeah.
It really highlights how like tradition and progress are not necessarily
Right.
opposite things.
Yeah.
They can work together.
Yeah, they can even complement each other.
Exactly.
Yeah. And our guide for this journey is LATYAKIRA's SHOO.
He's great.
Yeah, and he's not just a media expert. He's an author,
He does so much.
an AI influencer, and he's also the CEO of Eyesees Pictures worldwide.
Yeah, his journey is really fascinating.
Yeah.
He's been working in Tanzanian media for over 27 years.
Wow.
And he's done everything from sound engineering to like TV production.
Wow, so he's really got a feel for the pulse of communication.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And, his books are incredible. He really dives into these diverse worlds. Like he wrote Eyesees, which explores traditional medicine.
Right.
And then he also wrote The Human Cost of AI, which is about the impact of technology.
But like he embodies this fusion of creativity, technology, and cultural understanding.
Absolutely. And speaking of LATYAKIRA's fascinating work,
Yeah.
did you know that you can actually connect with him directly?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
You can call or WhatsApp him at +255 682 505 651.
Okay.
And you can talk to him about his books,
Cool, wow.
about the services that ESPIA offers,
Cool.
and you can even join his AI Akilium Nembo 101 course.
Okay, so it's really a chance to tap into his expertise firsthand.
Exactly.
That's really cool. Now, before we dive into the world of AI,
Yeah.
there's a story we need to share. A story that exemplifies
Yes.
the power of faith and courage.
Yeah.
It's the story of Kyekuh.
Yes.
He's known as the Lion's Whisperer.
That's right.
Okay, you had me at Lion's Whisperer.
I know. It's amazing, right?
That sounds incredible.
Wow.
Tell me more about Kyekuh.
So Kyekuh is a 35-year-old woman from the Chaga tribe in Tanzania.
Okay.
And she's known for her bravery, her humility,
Wow.
and wisdom. And what sets her apart is her unique relationship with lions.
Okay.
She walks with them.
Wait, she walks with lions.
Yes.
As in side by side with these majestic,
Yes.
powerful creatures.
It's incredible.
How is that even possible?
I know, right? It's something that has captivated and honestly puzzled her community.
Right.
But when they ask her about it, her answer is so simple.
Yeah.
She says, God strengthens me. The lion is not a threat, but a symbol of victory through faith.
Wow, that's a perspective I've never heard before.
Yeah.
To see lions not as these fearsome beasts, but as symbols of victory,
Right.
that's profound.
It really is.
Yeah.
And she often refers to a verse from the Bible.
Okay.
2 Timothy 1:7.
Okay.
It says, "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind." And this verse is really the foundation of her courage and her unique bond with the lions.
It's incredible how she's taken this verse and turned it into a living testament.
It's amazing.
Yeah, she truly believes that fear is a barrier.
Yes.
And faith is the fortress that allows her to overcome it.
It's so true.
Yeah. And on the topic of strong African women,
Yeah.
we can't forget about LATYAKIRA's inspiring project, Strong African Women, Bodybuilding 2024-25.
Of course.
It's a powerful initiative that resonates with Kyekuh's story.
It really does.
And if you're as moved by these stories as we are,
Yeah.
we encourage you to consider supporting LATYAKIRA's work.
Absolutely.
Every contribution, big or small, makes a difference. Remember, kutoa ni moyo sio utajiri. Giving comes from the heart, not wealth.
Yes. Now, let's dive a little deeper into Kyekuh's story.
Okay.
There was an incident where the lions were especially agitated,
Uh-oh.
and there was this sense of fear that gripped the whole village.
Okay, now I'm on the edge of my seat.
Yeah.
What happened next?
Kyekuh, with her unshakable faith, approached the lions. And with this calm reassurance, she spoke to them.
Okay.
And she referenced Psalm 23.4.
Okay.
Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me.
She walked towards agitated lions while quoting scripture.
I know.
That's an incredible display of faith.
It's amazing.
It's hard to even fathom.
It speaks volumes about her deep-rooted belief.
It really does.
And it's not just that one verse.
Okay.
She also draws strength from Isaiah 41.10.
Okay.
Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. It's like these words are woven into the very fabric of her being.
And if her story inspires you, remember, you too can connect with the mind behind it all.
Yes.
Call or WhatsApp +255 682 505 651 to buy LATYAKIRA's books, inquire about ESPS services, or join the AI Akili Membo 101 course.
Don't miss out.
Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.
So Kyekuh's life became a testament to her unwavering faith.
Wow.
And she became like a beacon of hope for her community.
It's truly inspiring to witness someone living their beliefs so authentically,
Yeah.
turning fear into an opportunity to demonstrate the strength of their faith.
It's amazing. And her story serves as this constant reminder that faith can truly conquer any fear,
Wow.
even the fear of lions.
That's powerful. And speaking of conquering fears and empowering women,
Yes.
LATYAKIRA's Strong African Women Bodybuilding 2024-25 project is doing just that.
Absolutely.
It's a testament to the strength and resilience of African women.
It is.
If you believe in this mission, we urge you to support it.
Yes.
Remember, Kutoa ni moyo sio yutajiri. Your contribution can make a real difference.
It really can.
It's remarkable how she's become a living example of the power of faith.
And that's just the beginning of her story.
Really?
There's so much more to uncover about Kyekuh's journey and how her faith continues to guide her.
Wow.
But before we dive deeper,
Yeah.
let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned so far.
Yes, let's pause here for a moment.
Okay.
We'll be back soon to explore more of Kyekuh's incredible story
Yes.
and delve into the fascinating world of LATYAKIRA's Strong African Women project.
Absolutely.
Stay tuned. Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We're continuing our exploration of faith, courage, and the incredible strength of African women, guided by the visionary work of LATYAKIRA SHOO. Before we jump back into Kyekuh's story, I want to remind you that you can connect with LATYAKIRA directly.
Oh, that's right.
Call or WhatsApp him at +255 682 505 651 to buy his books.
Yeah.
You can learn about the services offered by his company, ESP,
Mm-hmm.
or even enroll in the AI Akili Membo 101 course.
It's a great opportunity.
Yeah, it's a chance to gain firsthand insights from a true innovator who's bridging the gap between tradition and technology.
Absolutely. Now let's get back to the captivating story of Kyekuh, the Lion's Whisperer.
Yes, let's dive back in.
We left off with her displaying this incredible courage in the face of those agitated lions,
Right.
just relying on her faith to guide her actions.
Yeah. What else can you tell us about this remarkable woman?
Well, Kyekuh's relationship with lions, it goes beyond just bravery. It's deeply rooted in the cultural understanding of her Chaga tribe.
That's fascinating.
Yeah.
I'm curious to know more about that cultural context. How do the Chaga people traditionally view lions?
So in Chaga culture, lions are seen as these powerful symbols of strength, courage, and leadership.
Oh, wow.
They're not just animals.
Right.
They represent a spiritual connection to the land and their ancestors.
So Kyekuh walking with lions isn't just about her personal faith.
Yeah, right.
It's also a testament to her deep connection to her cultural heritage.
Exactly. Her ability to interact with these creatures.
Yeah.
It's seen as a sign of her spiritual strength and her understanding of the ancient ways.
Wow. And this ties in beautifully with LATYAKIRA's work with the Akili Membo community.
Oh, absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
You mentioned the Akili Membo community earlier.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about what it is and how it connects to this story?
So the Akili Membo community is LATYAKIRA's initiative to empower Africans,
Okay.
especially women, through AI knowledge.
That's amazing.
He believes that by embracing technology and combining it with their existing strengths,
Right.
they can create a brighter future for themselves and their communities.
I love that. And speaking of creating a brighter future,
Yes.
we want to remind you about the opportunity to support LATYAKIRA's incredible project, Strong African Women Bodybuilding 2024-25.
Of course.
It's a movement that celebrates the power, beauty, and resilience of African women,
Absolutely.
using AI to amplify their voices and inspire change.
It's incredible.
Your contribution can help make a real difference. Remember, Kutoa ni moyo sio yutajiri. Giving comes from the heart, not wealth.
Yes.
It's inspiring to see how he's using AI to bridge the gap between ancient traditions and modern innovation.
No, it's amazing, right?
Much like Kyekuh bridges the gap between humans and lions.
Exactly. And now back to Kyekuh.
Okay.
Her story takes an even more captivating turn.
Okay, tell me more.
She doesn't just walk with lions, she
Right.
communicates with them.
Communicates with them. You mean talks to them?
Not in the way that we think of talking. It's more about understanding their behavior,
Okay.
their energy, their subtle cues.
Wow.
It's an intuitive connection,
Right.
a form of nonverbal communication that's deeply rooted in her faith and her understanding of the natural world.
That's incredible. It sounds almost like a form of spiritual connection,
It is.
like a deep empathy that allows her to understand these creatures on a level most of us can't even imagine.
It really is. It's a testament to the power of observation intuition and a belief that transcends the boundaries we often place between ourselves and the natural world.
That's beautiful. And for those who want to explore these boundaries further
Yes.
and learn how AI can be used to empower individuals and communities, we encourage you to connect with LATYAKIRA directly.
Absolutely.
Call or WhatsApp +255 682 505 651 to purchase his books.
Yeah.
Learn about the services offered by ESP, or even enroll in the AI Akili Menba 101 course.
Don't miss out.
It's an opportunity to delve into the fascinating world of AI and its potential for positive change. It sounds like Kyekuh's story is more than just a tale of courage.
It is.
It's a testament to the deep connection between humans and nature,
Yes.
a connection that's often overlooked in our modern world.
It's so true.
Yeah. It's a reminder that there's so much we can learn from the natural world
Absolutely.
and from cultures that have maintained a closer relationship with it.
For sure.
And as we move forward, it's essential to support initiatives that honor these connections
Yes.
and empower individuals like Kyekuh to share their wisdom and inspire others.
It's so important.
And speaking of inspiring initiatives,
Yeah.
we can't forget about LATYAKIRA's groundbreaking project, Strong African Women, Bodybuilding 2024-25.
Of course.
This visionary project is leveraging the power of AI to showcase the incredible strength and resilience of African women,
Yes.
challenging stereotypes and promoting gender equality.
It's amazing.
We encourage you to support this incredible movement that's empowering women and shaping a brighter future for generations to come.
It's a worthy cause.
Remember, kutoa ni moyo sio hutajiri, giving, comes from the heart, not wealth.
Now let's delve deeper into the specific ways Kyekuh's faith has manifested in her life and how it has enabled her to walk with lions.
Yes, I'm eager to hear more about how her faith translates into action and how it has shaped her extraordinary journey. Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We've been on this really captivating journey exploring the story of Kyekuh the Lion's Whisperer
Yeah, it's amazing.
and the inspiring work of LATYAKIRA SHOO using AI to empower African women.
Absolutely. A real blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge technology.
Right. And before we go any further, I want to remind everyone that you can actually connect with LATYAKIRA directly.
Oh, yeah.
Call or WhatsApp +255 682 505 651. You can get his books, find out more about ESPA,
Yeah.
or even enroll in the AI Akili Menba 101 course.
It's a great opportunity.
Yeah, a chance to learn from a visionary leader who's bridging the gap between tradition and technology.
Absolutely. So now let's get back to Kyekuh and how her faith has shaped her life and given her that strength to walk with lions.
Okay.
She often talks about how her faith is not just a belief system,
Right.
it's a way of life.
Yeah, that's a powerful distinction. It suggests that her faith isn't just something she thinks about.
Right.
It's something she embodies in her actions and interactions.
Exactly. And one of the most striking examples of this is her unwavering trust in God's protection. She believes that as long as she walks in faith, she has nothing to fear, not even the king of the jungle.
That level of trust is truly remarkable, especially when you think about the inherent dangers of being around wild animals.
I know, it's amazing. It's a testament to the power of faith to overcome even our most primal fears.
Yeah, and this unwavering faith, it's not something she just has. It's something she actively cultivates through prayer and meditation.
That's right. It's not blind faith. It's a conscious effort to connect with a higher power and draw strength from that connection.
And this connection isn't limited to her personal life. It extends to her relationship with the lions.
Absolutely. She believes that God has given her this special gift
Okay.
to understand and communicate with these creatures, a gift that allows her to walk among them without fear.
It's almost as if she sees her ability to connect with lions as a form of divine purpose, a calling to bridge the gap between humans and the natural world.
It's beautiful. And speaking of bridging gaps and empowering individuals, we have to mention LATYAKIRA's impactful project, Strong African Women, Bodybuilding 2024-25.
Yes. It's a movement that celebrates the power, beauty, and resilience of African women.
Using AI to amplify their voices and inspire change.
Your contribution can help make a real difference. Remember, kutoa ni moyo sio utajiri. Giving comes from the heart, not wealth.
So true. It's fascinating how Kyekuh's story really echoes these themes of empowerment and challenging perceptions that LATYAKIRA is addressing through his work with AI.
Absolutely. Both Kyekuh and LATYAKIRA are demonstrating that with faith, courage, and innovation, we can break down barriers and achieve extraordinary things.
And this brings us to a pivotal moment in Kyekuh's journey.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
There's this incident where a group of young men from her village decided they were going to prove their bravery by hunting a lion.
Uh-oh.
They thought it was this rite of passage,
Right.
a way to show their manhood.
That's a common theme in a lot of cultures. The idea of proving yourself by doing something daring, often involving dangerous animals.
Yeah, and in this case, it almost ended tragically.
Oh, no.
These young men, armed with spears and full of bravado,
Yeah.
they cornered a lioness and her cubs.
That sounds like a recipe for disaster. What happened?
Kyekuh heard the commotion and rushed to the scene.
Okay.
She knew that if she didn't intervene, there would be bloodshed.
So she put herself in harm's way to protect both the lioness and the young men.
Yes, and what happened next has become legendary in her village.
I can only imagine. What did she do?
She stood between the lioness and the young men.
Wow.
Arms outstretched, her voice filled with this calm authority.
It's as if she channeled her faith into a force field of protection. What did she say to them?
She spoke to both the lioness and the young men, reminding them of the sacredness of life and how important it is to respect all creatures.
Wow.
She appealed to the young men's sense of honor, urging them to choose courage over aggression, wisdom over recklessness.
How awful.
And to the lioness, she spoke in these soothing tones, acknowledging her maternal instincts and assuring her that her cubs would be safe.
It's incredible to imagine her standing there unarmed and unafraid, mediating between these two potentially deadly forces.
Did it work?
It did. Slowly, the tension dissipated. The young men, humbled by her courage and wisdom, lowered their spears.
Oh, wow.
And the lioness, sensing that shift in energy, calmed down, her protective instincts subsiding when she realized her cubs were no longer in danger. That's an amazing story. It's a testament to the power of faith, courage, and compassion to overcome even the most volatile situations.
And it's this blend of faith, courage, and compassion that LATYAKIRA is trying to amplify through his work with the Akilium Nemba community and the Strong African Women Project.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to support this work and be a part of this movement, remember, you can reach out to him.
Yes. Call or WhatsApp +255-682-505-651 to buy his books.
Yeah.
Learn more about ESP or enroll in the AI Akilium Nemba 101 course.
It's a wonderful opportunity.
It's a powerful reminder that we can all make a difference in the world by embracing these qualities and using them to create positive change.
Now, as we wrap up this deep dive into the world of Kyekuh the Lion's Whisperer and the inspiring work of LATYAKIRA SHOO,
Yes.
let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways from this journey.
What are some of the most important lessons we can learn from Kyekuh's story?
I think one of the most profound lessons is the power of faith to overcome fear. Kyekuh's unwavering belief in God's protection allowed her to do things most of us would consider impossible. To walk with lions, to mediate between them and humans, to live a life free from the constraints of fear.
It's a reminder that our beliefs can shape our reality.
Yeah.
That if we truly believe in something, it can empower us to achieve extraordinary things.
Absolutely. And another key takeaway is the importance of respecting and connecting with nature. Kyekuh's relationship with the lions is a testament to the deep bond that can exist between humans and the natural world, a bond that's often lost in our modern technology-driven societies.
It's a call to reconnect with our roots, to appreciate the wisdom and beauty of the natural world, and to find ways to coexist harmoniously with all creatures.
And finally, I think Kyekuh's story highlights the transformative power of courage and compassion. Her willingness to stand up for what she believes in, to protect both the lioness and the young men, to risk her own safety for the well-being of others, is an inspiration to us all.
It's a reminder that true courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to act in spite of fear, to stand up for what's right, to make a difference in the world even when it's difficult or dangerous.
And as we conclude this deep dive, let's express our gratitude for the visionary work of LATYAKIRA SHOO and the ESP team for their commitment to empowering African women and using technology to amplify their voices.
Yes. Let's celebrate the incredible strength and resilience of African women and the inspiring stories that are emerging from this vibrant continent.
And let's remember LATYAKIRA's own words of wisdom. Stay blessed, stay focused. Amen.
Thank you for joining us on the Deep Dive. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep believing in the power of the human spirit.